Okay, guys. Hello, bubble in my throat. It came out, guys. Okay, so what are we trying, RJ?
We are trying a strawberry cheesecake swirl from Nothing Bundt.
Yes. Listen, y'all. Everybody was talking about this yesterday. I felt like everybody been talking to each other, and I don't know what they've been talking about.
Yeah.
Like they've been whispering when I leave the room.
She out the loop.
Clearly. Yummy,
It
yummy,
smells
yummy.
good.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay.
Peace.
Are you putting whipped cream on it? Like, are you doing?
I'm getting all of it.
Okay.
I'm getting a little bit of
Can I
everything.
have your whipped cream?
Yes. Hold on, baby.
No, it's a grown-up dessert.
It's for grown-ups only. You ready?
Let's go.
Yum. Clock it.
It's really sweet.
Very sweet. It tastes like strawberry shortcake.
Yeah.
Like, you know those little Debbie?
It's soft though, boy.
Hey, yo. Want the strawberries?
But I can eat it without it. I can just eat the cake by itself.
So you're eating a vanilla cake.
Yeah. It's too sweet for me. Okay, what's your rating?
I give it a 8.5.
I give it
I give it 8.5. Only because it's so sweet.
I give it a
5.
Oh my god, I didn't even say it, but you said it. I was thinking it and I knew you was gonna say that. I give it a 5 because it's like
A 5.
yeah, 5. Like I like the fact that it's moist, but that's all I like about it. I don't like nothing else about the cake. And I wanted more like cheesecake. I don't taste no cheesecake. I don't taste. There's nothing.
I tasted it in my last bite.
She really likes it.
No.
There's
8.5.
no. She's pulling the cheesecake
No.
flavor out
I
of it.
promise you, because at first I couldn't taste it. That's why I was like, you just want a vanilla cake.
I tasted. I took a few bites and it's given vanilla cake with strawberry syrup and cream cheese. That's what I get from it. I don't get no cheesecake.
I gotta love cheesecake. She just haven't got there yet.
I like it without the strawberry stuff.
I like the strawberry stuff. How you just eating that? That's so sweet.
I don't know. It tastes bad. It tastes good without. Here, come right here, Laura. Come right there. It tastes good without the strawberry stuff.
She's not giving it a chance.
I'm gonna stick to the lemon cake. Lemon
Red
cake,
velvet.
top tier. I'm gonna stick to
Confetti. Cookies and cream.
that. Try at your own risk.
I had the cookies and cream the other day.
Really? How was it?
Amazing.
I don't think I've had that one.
It's great.
Like real good.
Yeah.
You finna make me throw my workouts for like the whole week. I gotta do core and abs again.